Okay guys, let's check out this strategy on how we can use it to trade crash 1000. And the beautiful thing about this strategy is that you can use a small trading capital and grow it to any amount you want to get it to. The most important thing is not the capital you are using, it is the strategy you want to use. Either you want to use big capital or you want to use small capital. Just make sure the strategy you are using is working out well for you. Okay, so that is it. So know your strategy like you know the back of your palm. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so guys, now let's go straight into what we have right here. But before we do that, in case you are joining me for the first time and you love this content, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, guys, you can subscribe to this channel, and of course, like this video, share it with friends and family. And of course, guys, you can also drop your question down there in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. So let's see how we can go with this. Okay, so first of all, we should understand the aspect of downtrend and the uptrend, and all these usually come from the resistance zone or the support zone. Okay, so this is very, very important. And of course, guys, if we should look at this chart, we are on 30-minute time frame. Okay, and of course, guys, it means that any trade we are taking from here is going to go or be measured based on 30 minutes. Okay, so now let's see how it works. Okay, right here is a resistance zone, and of course at this point we are getting a signal that this particular chart has over bought already, so it should sell. Okay, but we need to be sure if it's going to break out from here. How do we know if it's going to break out or not? Okay, you can see the formation of the chart gave us the structure of M. Okay, which means it might not break out from the resistance zone, and it has given us an entry point immediately. It broke out below the what's it called, the moving average. Okay, so which means this should be our entry point for a sell, and of course we can put stop loss here in case the market misbehaved. Okay, so you can see it sold just the way we have it here, and at this moment it has gotten to this region, which means that it has oversold, and of course made different attempts to see if it would break out from here, but was unable to break out below it. So it is giving us a unique market structure, which means that it's going to be buying. Okay, and of course you can see immediately it broke out from here. It gave us an entry point for a buy, and of course we can put our stop loss right here in case the market misbehaved. Okay, and of course you can see it bought. Check it out, it bought till it got to this region before having this pullback, and this pullback will come to an end at this spot because right here is a support zone. So if it breaks out from here, then it's going to sell more, but if it does not, then it will buy more and may likely go ahead of this. Okay, it will break out from this, it may likely get to this region. Okay, so this is going to be a very beautiful buy. Okay, and of course once it breaks out from here, we expect it to get to this particular spot, once it breaks out from here, then it should get to this spot, and once it breaks out from there, it should get here. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so these are buying chances for us on crash 1000. So if you are ready to go, then you should jump into it right away. But if you have, I believe those that are having the 3M custom made indicator should be in this market right away. They should be trading this asset at the moment. Okay, so if you had opened an order before, this is right here is another place for you to add one more order to it because of the pullback. So I believe you should have done that right now. Okay, so that is how you can handle your trading activities. Now tell me, if you are having even $20, I believe with this strategy you should be able to take it up to $500, $1,000, or $2,000 within a short period of time. Okay, this is a long trading opportunity, so be smart about it and make sure you get the best out of it. More tips will be shared in my videos. Okay, and of course I will also share more in the Telegram page. Okay, so you can also join the Telegram channel so that you will also benefit from it. I will be stopping right here. Remember to give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.